So let's see, we're looking for a condenser install in Flint Ridge. And so we pop that in here. You see, there it is. There's a website right there. Let me show you how that got created real quick and easy. Condenser install, here's where it's at. This got created by a quick and easy tool. Let me show you the tool that created this. Kind of cool. But in any case, you can just Google the keywords that are created by the actual app, and then it shows up on Google in the map and the whole 9 yards. Anyways, really cool stuff.